Hola a todos! Welcome to day 2 of our course, Get Organized in 7 Days. And the motto for today is Awaken. So today, what we're simply going to do is to collect everything you have to do in one spot. So every task, everything you need to get done will be collected in one place. So in this course, we are going to use Todo Listo. Obviously, this is the Todo Listo channel. And so there is a completely free version that you can use in this course. It's also not restricted temporarily or in any way. So you can use this free version. The only thing I ask you to do right now is to think about which device you want to do during this week. Because this free version is designed that the data is stored in your browser, so that is on the specific device that you're starting on. So think about whether you want to use your phone, tablet, laptop, any kind of computer. If in doubt, I would rather go for a larger screen. It's simply easier to work with. But you can use your phone absolutely if that is the device you want to work on. So you open this version here and then you're in the program, and that's it. And for today, your task is to collect everything that you have to do. So you add tasks here. Your first task, you just click on this button and put in your first task. And if you're working on a computer with a keyboard, you can just press enter to put in more tasks. In addition, and if you're working on a phone, you can also use this button up here to add new tasks. And that's it, basically. And when you're done with a task, well, you just check it. So far, so easy, but the question is, what kind of tasks do you want to put on your list? Well, first of all, everything that comes in today. So whether you get an email, somebody calls you, somebody tells you to do something, or also when you think about it yourself. So maybe you're doing something and you're like, oh, but I have to remember to also add this detail or do something on it. Just put it on your to-do list. No filter. Don't think about how you're formulating it clearly. Just put it down in a way that you will recognize what you wanted to do. And also look in other sources where you have been collecting your tasks. So maybe you have a to-do list on paper. Put those things on your in Todo Listo as well. Maybe you have things in your emails. Maybe you have things in a calendar. Maybe you have taken notes somewhere. Maybe you have you're working in a team and you're using some kind of Kanban or something. Just those tasks that are assigned to you, just copy them and put them into Todo Listo. So don't make a fuss of it. Just make sure that everything you have to do is collected in that one place. So when you have collected all your tasks during the day, you will have at the end of the day, well, a list. This can be longer than my example here. It can be shorter. It can be anything. But you'll have a list, and maybe you also have finished some of those things and have checked them. So first of all, be happy about those things that you have achieved. And don't fuss about the things you have not yet achieved. There's another day tomorrow, so that's fine. And to kind of celebrate what you have achieved, you can click this wonderful button up here, and those tasks are gone. So now it's less. It may still be a long list on your screen. Don't panic, no problem. We'll get to that tomorrow. If it's less than this, it's fine. If you have nothing left on your list, great. Think about also if there are things missing right now. So are there things going through your head, things that you would be taking into your evening that just need to get out? If there are such things, write them down now so you can start on them tomorrow. You can also have a short look at your list and also, like we did yesterday, think about which of those things are things that I'm looking forward to. I'm happy to do them tomorrow. And maybe there are things like, I don't even know how to start. Just evaluate, don't judge, don't go too deeply into that. Just go through your list and see, is this more positive list or more negative list? Doesn't matter, just to gain this kind of consciousness. And that's it for today. Looking forward to see you tomorrow. Hasta luego.